Never assume everything you see online is real. A creator recently blew up for making desks that looked perfectly sculpted by hand. In his videos, he slides wooden inserts into these carved sections with unbelievable accuracy, almost like he's some next-level woodworking genius. But if you really pay attention, a few things start to feel off. Some pieces don't fit the way they should, and the ones that do look almost suspiciously perfect. That's when people began calling it out, saying no craftsman could pull off something this flawless. And then came the reveal, something nobody expected. He admitted the entire thing wasn't woodworking at all. Every single shot was CGI. The whole illusion was digitally created from scratch. Did you fall for it too?